you see the fog?
Well, let's see if you can hear anything. I have the camera inside a protective case, so I hope you can hear this. So I'm gonna start cleaning some stuff here, and these are the tools I'm gonna use. As you can see here, there's some kind of different wire brushes that I'm gonna use to start cleaning all this stuff. So this is gonna be a little bit of time lapse. I know a lot of people don't like time lapse, but what else is it to film here? So I'm hoping to in this video get so far that I can paint it. So in the end of this video, if I'm lucky, or if we are lucky, all this stuff will be painted. So let's start. Man, I wish I had a blaster, a sand blaster. They would be so fast.
It's foggy in here. I don't know if you can see that on the video, but it's from all the dust, cleaning all that stuff. Man, that was dirty work, and it is dust everywhere. Lucky for me, I'm just painting with Hammarite, Hammarlack, so I don't really care. And this is just like we say in Sweden, Beckers renovering. That means that you just put paint on some old stuff, and I'm not satisfied with the work I've done, but I don't have a sandblaster. I have a wet blaster, but I gotta use that outside, and it's too cold outside right now to do that. I wish I could have done it, but I couldn't, so I just did this as quick as possible. So let's look at it. So this is the rear subframe. I'm making it white, and the control arms are white. Matches the underside of the body, and then the rest of it's black, Hammarite black. So all this is very dusty now, but I painted all of it for the rear suspension. It's all painted, ready to put it together. This one I'm gonna let it dry and see if I might put another layer on it on the other side. Not this. This is the top side that you won't see that much of, but the underside you see more of. So this is the cover that goes on top of it, that holds this differential in place. So I guess this is it for this video. What I'll do next? I think I don't want to put this together yet, because it takes too much space in the garage when it's all mounted together. Can you see the fog? The fog. It's not fog, the dust. Check this out. This is the mask I used. It's almost the same color as the parts I painted. Nah, the video got too short, only 8 minutes, so let's extend it a little bit. I thought we could do some bushings. Let's see if we can press the bushings into this one. The rear, now I lost the words again. Subframe, rear subframe. Unfortunately, these bushings, there are 2 of them here and the one here, they're, well, you could replace them, but you can't buy them. I can't get a Volvo part number for them, so finding them, I don't know which way to do that, so I can't replace these. Sorry about that. But I got the upper ones. You got one there and one here on each side. So let's see if we can press those in there. First, I'm gonna clean the holes, because I got some marks in them from removing the old bushings, so they're not as smooth as I want them to. So let's start cleaning these 4 holes first, and then see if we can press the bushings in. So here are the bushings. I actually found poly bushings for the outer one, but I can't find any other bushings in poly. So these are the small one that goes inside here. And at the same time, when you press these in, you have to make sure you get them in the right position, because there's a little tap here that goes in this bushing. I have tape on it now, but it goes in there. So it should be flush in the bushing, and the bigger one should be flush here. So when you take this control arm out of the cradle here, it's a tight fit. So we'll see how I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to start with pressing the small one in first, and that way I have something to, so when I press the big one in, I can try with this one and see how much play I have. And I don't know if I have to smoothen this out. I don't know. When you don't have special tools, you have to make sure you know what you're doing. So, to be able to pull the bushing in here, you can't have a regular, what's it called, to hold it on the back when you pull it in, because this is in an angle. But they have made a kind of a recess or something here for the Volvo special tools. So I made my own. Looks like this. So it sits in here, like so. And now you can pull the bushing in straight. So I'm going to try that on the other side, see if it works.
Artlist.io.
Get a socket on this one.
Music licensing reimagined.
And the nut. What size is that? 19? Oh no. 21?
Artlist.io.
Oh, it's even bigger. 22? Oh yeah. Let's see if this works.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, it goes crooked, and that's because I guess I have to cut it.
Artlist.io.
Oh,
Music
That's scared.
licensing reimagined.
it's because this one is not straight here. So I gotta cut this straight. Okay, take two. Alright, made this straight. I need a deep socket.
Access IO.
Oh, I think it bottomed out there. Let's see.
Artlist IO.
There, I got it in a little bit more.
Music licensing reimagined.
That worked pretty good, that thing. I'm saving that. That's in the bottom, I
Artlist
think.
IO.
So let me do the other side, and then we try to do the big one. Well, this wasn't easy. At least I did the other side, just to see how hard it would be before I film it. And this is, wow. Let's see if this one is the same. If this one goes as easy as the other one, I'm gonna take them out again and Loctite them in place, because I don't want this to spin inside this cradle.
Music licensing reimagined.
This is way too easy. So I'm not gonna install that all the way in, because I'm gonna take them out and Loctite them in place. So, and I don't have to film that. How hard is it to pop them out, put some Loctite and put them back in? So let's get on with the next one. So let me say thanks for watching, and I got more videos coming. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.